Welcome to our one-off series for Risk of Rain 2. If you like this series, please like and subscribe and follow me on comment. Please follow me on my channel and comment down below. But further ado, on with today's video. But also, we are with our fellow commentator, Tucker here.
Yep, I love Risk of Rain 2. I've played this for years, and we just booted up the game earlier ago just to refamiliarize ourselves with it. And I ended up beating Mithrix. But that was on Drizzle difficulty, so Rainstorm's gonna be a whole bag of jelly beans up my... I'm joking. But...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So...
You gonna try out Captain today?
Yeah, I'm gonna try out Captain.
Okay, well, he has got defensive microbots, which shoot down enemy projectiles that are about to hit you, so like the wisps, it'll knock those out of the thing. You got a little shotgun. The longer you hold onto the trigger, the more concentrated the fire, but at no point does it do more damage. So if there's a giant stone titan in front of you, and you just repeatedly hit the trigger, it'll do the same amount of damage as if you narrowed your shot.
Okay.
Just as long as all your bullets connect. Power taser, pretty simple, 100% damage, tases your enemies. Then your utility is a little different. You got orbital strikes, which deal damage, and your special, which is your supply beacons. And you can only use 2 supply beacons throughout a given stage. You can do 2 shock beacons, you can do 2 heal beacons, but we have not unlocked all the abilities yet, so this is the hand that we're given with the captain.
Okay, so, but also our next episode will be over Tucker doing his run through this.
Okay, sure. I'll be happy to do that on Rainstorm, I assume?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Let's begin. If you're wondering, this is a new setup I did for the video, so just trying out something a little new.
Yep. Give us feedback if the sound quality is a bit better, or if it's worse. Negative feedback is just as valuable as positive. So, at a distance, that's when you want to narrow your shotgun. It sends them all the way back. Oh, you're gonna try to get Rex?
Yep.
Alright.
Let's do it.
To those watching this that aren't familiar with Risk of Rain, okay, in this game, I should say, this is a roguelike third-person shooter. What is a roguelike? You are given a set of rules in a world, and you go out getting items, or maybe in other games like Hades, blessings, or you've probably heard of the Binding of Isaac as well. You just collect things along the way that make you slightly more powerful, but they keep stacking and stacking to make you unique in your run, if you will, your gameplay throughout one given session. So, during this run, GamerAce decided to pick up the fuel cell array. So if he goes, I think, below 25% HP, the fuel array on his back will start to implode and it will instantly kill him. So he better make it to stage 4 to get rid of it, or find another equipment to get rid of. But if he keeps that until he gets to a certain stage, which is stage 4, he can actually exchange that fuel array for a character unlock.
Rex.
Yes, he's like this little drone medic dude that shoots needles.
Combat timer, perfect.
Chronobobble, perfect. Always fun. Noticing a bunch of battle... in Risk of Rain 2, at the top right you'll see your stage, your level, and a timer, which is usually helpful. But the longer you stay in a given run, the higher the difficulty will spike throughout the entire game. So, Gamer Ace can go through here, find every single chest and shrine and vendor that he wants to get as much items as he can, but they will slowly rack up, and the difficulty will slowly rack up, and the enemies will get harder and harder. They'll gain more health and deal more damage. Oh.
Dang it.
Yep, that's the fuel array. Okay.
So, but we'll go over this. So, Tucker?
You sure?
Hey, I say...
Okay, well, I'll do my run of captain then as well. What do I get? Distant Roost. Gotcha, gotcha.
Dang it.
I will also take the fuel array, just in case if we can unlock Rex, we can.
I'm a lot better with Rex.
Yes.
I'm never good with Captain when I do my playthroughs. I'm usually Mercenary, Soldier, Rex, or the Artificer.
Artificer? Gotcha.
Only times.
My favorite ones is the Bandit, the Mercenary, and there's also a DLC for this game, but right now we're playing without. I also like the Railgunner.
Oh yeah, the Railgunner, that's a good one.
Constantly doing headshots. That is fun. Now, weighing my options here, the longer I stay, the more difficult it will get.
Yep.
So...
I see us.
2 vendors. I will need that tri-tip dagger and...
Crowbar. Crowbar or
Focus Crystal or the Gasoline? That's a difficult choice.
I think Focus Crystal, more damage.
So, the one thing I don't like about Captain is that he has 0 movement ability. Like, Commando, you always have, like, the little slide he has, or the little roll, which can stop your movement in midair to like, negate your fall damage, if you will. But with Captain, he has nothing like that. He just has beacons.
And these beacons have all sorts of abilities depending on how far you have worked on Captain.
So you might not see me play Captain all too much, but I'll give it a whirl this time.
Yeah, Captain, he's okay. Like, if you want a challenge, Captain is the best pick for you at this point.
Mm-hmm. I'll get Gasoline, and then I'm calling it there.
Orbital Strike.
Yes, I love those. It takes a lot of skill to time it right with an enemy's movement patterns, but if you can get it down, that's a really handy,
Here we go.
really handy ability.
Who is he fighting? Wandering Vagrant.
Yay,
Yes.
the Vagrant. Yippee. Alright, I don't know which one's which, so I'm going to send down 2 in hopes I can find the healing one. Okay, it's the right trigger is the healing one.
Oh, Wandering Vagrant's almost dead, so you're...
There we go. Vagrant down.
If you're wondering, the Wandering Vagrant, he's a very dangerous enemy to face off with. He may look easy at this point, but if you're playing, like, other characters, like, it only takes about 1 hit from the Vagrant's bomb just to kill you.
Yeah, he's got this, like, self-implosion thing that, like, if you're within, like, eyesight of him, he pretty much one-shots you. I am I'm glad I got through this. And what I was complaining about earlier, having no movement ability, well, it's still not really a movement ability, but because I have a Hopu Feather, I can negate pretty much all fall damage if I time it right with my double jump.
Yes.
So I'm pretty happy about that. Oh my god, okay, I did not know that. I've been playing this game for years, did not know that the enemy's knockback on the walls from your shotgun actually deals damage.
That's a good thing to know.
Verify. Hey, multi!
Yes!
Alright, Gamer Ace might cover this character in an upcoming episode.
I might have to, actually, because Multi is a great character. Can shoot a lot, has rapid fire.
Yeah, rapid fire nail gun, has a rebar puncher to begin with, which is this, like, sniper rifle.
It's like a railgun at this point.
Yeah.
It's a weaker version of a railgun. Just... Oh.
So... It only activated at 25% health for you. But for me, it's half health? So that's Risk of Rain, lads.
Hey, I say we keep going, just... No, see how far we can get.
I ain't playing Captain.
No, I'm going to show you guys how I usually play multi, so let's go.
I think one of the best parts about multi...
Yes.
Oh, I like this. One of the best parts about multi is his retool ability, which allows him to switch over to a second primary, so between his nail gun and his rebar puncher. But it also allows him to have two equipment items. So he can have the Forgive Me Please doll, and he can also have the Prey on Accumulator. So really high DPS weapons. So that is interesting. You're getting DLC maps.
But without the DLC characters.
Without the DLC content or the characters. Or the enemies, really, because usually at this time you'd find a flying moray eel shooting spit at you with his tongue sticking out. The only thing I can complain about multi, which I get because he needs to be balanced, his nail gun, that minigun he's shooting right now, if you have an item that has like, oh, chance to bleed whenever you hit an enemy, his nail gun, each bullet, instead of having 100% normal chance, like, how do I even explain this? Like,
basically, you just do more damage.
I watched this guy named Wooly, and he did a perfect video to explain what I'm trying to explain now and paraphrase. So
Basically more of a shout out to Wooly then.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, Wooly did cover over that a while back.
Yep, shout out to Wooly. But,
Whee!
basically, with his nail gun, you have a 40% chance less to apply any sort of status on an enemy. So instead of having a normal chance, like, 10% chance to bleed an enemy when you hit a bullet or whatever.
No item so far.
More, on Multi's minigun, it's more like a 6% chance instead of a 10. However, rebar puncher, that sniper you're shooting, is different. That has a normal proc coefficient.
Okay, here we go. Oh, here's a chest.
I have no...
Oh!
You're kidding me. First item, legendary. Okay, gotcha. Interstellar... Starfruit.
Ooh, perfect.
Kill an enemy, you heal. Once it's sprouting in the spawn.
Haha! This heal time. Heal bot. Oh yeah, definitely this was much worth it. Multi plus that, oh yes, you got a perfect build.
I think, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think character-wise, Multi has the most health out of any character in the game. Starting health and gaining health for every level you get.
I thought it was Accurate who had the most HP out.
No, he has, I think, the second or the third, because it's Multi first, and then either Loader or Accurate. These are all characters we're speaking of, mind you. So you got Commando and Huntress that you start off with. After you complete 5 stages, I think you unlock Bandit.
Yep.
Once you've completed 5 teleporter events, you've unlocked Multi. Or no, 5 runs maybe? I don't know. Once you've unlocked... once you've done that, you unlock Multi. Then... my favorite character, Mercenary, he's a little difficult to get, but if you get to stage 8, there's this light green portal that will appear that you can just walk through and sacrifice yourself to the abyss, which you can't. If you keep giving money, that it'll just heal you. That's it. Yeah, it's just a shrine where you heal.
Yeah, I need to start that teleport event, so let's get going.
So, because Risk of Rain is long-winded, how long do you think each of these episodes are you wanting?
I would say at least a 40, maybe 50-minute episode.
Okay. Now, because this is the introduction to Risk of Rain, I think what you might want to do is scrap out any runs that you don't win, and just, like, show the ones that you do.
I think, you know...
Unless you, like, unlock something big.
Focus Crystal, yes. That's what I want.
Just, like... we got... oh, Hopu Feather.
Perfect.
You can double jump. Now, if you let go of Multi's minigun, it shoots like a shotgun blast with nails in front of you. So keep that in mind. If you want to finish off an enemy, you can let go and it shoots that burst of nails. It's really good on Stone Titans.
Okay, time to go face off against the boss. Yeah. Let's roll.
That canister is really good.
Activate
Alright,
turret
I'm assuming
gunner.
Wandering Vagrant. I stand corrected. Perfect. Will-o-wisp. Got that in the drawer. Or, got this round in the bag. That's what I meant to say.
Quickly mow him down. Yippee-ki-yay. Stone Titan's somewhere, because I can hear its footsteps. It's somewhere. Close by. There it is. Oh, that's not Stone Titan, but that's another beetle. Okay, come on. I want to teleport. Come on. Ah! Let's roll. Poof. Time to teleport.
Woo. And the place where I killed myself. Yay.
Oh, perfect.
Now, there is a secret here to unlock 2 green items. The Rune of Runald and the Band of Runald and the Band of Kajara. For that, I think you'll need the Engineer
Yep.
to place your turrets on the button. But if you're able to nudge the little jars of oil onto buttons that are hidden throughout the stage, then you could potentially get it, but it's usually unlocked by Engineer.
Speed bump.
Drives through a school zone. I don't remember there being so many speed bumps here.
Okay.
You got armor-piercing rounds, repulsion plate armor, and gasoline. Okay, APR. Deal extra damage to bosses.
Okay, if I remember correctly, there's another trading station close.
And right next to that pot, you can see another tablet that has another combination. So
Okay.
circles on both sides and triangles in the middle.
Okay, time to find that portal. Time to move. I'm already at 560 on HP wise. Time to mow the rest of these guys down, and voila! I'm on stage 2 already, level 5. Which
If you had a crowbar with that will-o-wisp, like, you could chain your attacks.
Oh man, that would be perfect.
Level 8, you've got 620 HP.
Oh, crap. Field guard.
Coin. Oh, because I killed Mithrix, you've gotten 10 lunar coins as a reward. You
Yeah.
might be able to unlock Artificer this round.
If we can get to the portal.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll reach them. Just have to do a little bit of work.
Propulsion plate armor, question mark, and a med kit.
Yeah, repulsion.
Propulsion armor. Got it. I'm mixing some words up today because I cannot English or memory. If you're getting hurt, you might want to stand in one of those healing circles. Turn chance. Let's see. How many times does it deny you? Once. Hey, give you an equipment. You got a Milky Chrysalis now. You can fly.
Yes.
E.T. phone home.
E.T. phone home.
Yeah.
I used to remember as a kid watching that. Tougher times, here we go.
Tougher times. That is one of the best white items you can come across. Just negating damage. You can only stack 9 of them, however. You can never stack 10. So that'd be 100% damage negation, so that has been disallowed.
Portal's close, but I want to get the rest of these chests before I go. Steak, not so good.
Yeah, bison steak, eh. I'd scrap that if you find a scrapper. Oh great, the blood shrine I died to.
The Blood Shrine, you didn't even get killed by a monster, it was just by the Blood Shrine.
Well, I thought I witnessed you playing Captain, and it didn't kill you until you had, like, a quarter of your health left.
Blood
so I thought,
for the
naturally,
blood, deity.
if I'm in the same category, I could, you know...
More repulsion.
achieve the same thing, but I guess some deity decided, you know what? No, I'm gonna end your run. And I'm like, oh, gee Williker, thanks.
705. Let's roll.
Unless your run was just the anomaly. If you hold X, or if you hold the jump button, you can fly.
Ha! Gene Williger. Batman.
Oh, you
Have-
haven't activated the teleport yet.
Not yet, but I'm about to. Hey, Batman, I
Actually,
caught.
Beetle Queen? No, play Doom Strider.
Oh crap!
This is
Another deadly foe.
one of the worst bosses to go up against. Because if there's a lot of enemies on stage, he's got this one attack where it sucks you and all nearby enemies. If he damages nearby enemies, he heals. Yeah, that's like 500 health of yours just gone and poof.
Just need to deal with all these other. Just have to deal with all these guys first. Crap. He's at 2,000 HP right now. Okay, come on, come on, come on.
Alright, he stunned his allies. Got him at half health.
Now,
Oil sucks.
what's so good about the Chrysalis,
there's a
I
suck
can...
attack.
Okay, just keep shooting at him. I'm just gonna have to keep shooting at him.
He's healing. Major health. Alright, he healed a quarter of his health from that. Thank God you got armor piercing rounds, because this would have been
A nightmare of a fight.
a tiny bit more difficult. Yeah. I'm dealing like 20% extra damage, I think. Don't quote me on that.
Probably less, but still good enough that I'm doing the amount I'm doing to him now. He's almost dead. So I just have to keep at him like this. Damn it.
Okay. Keep in mind, you do have your Dark Star Fruit, or Interstellar Star Fruit thing.
Guess what? Time to fly.
Okay. 500 health.
Come on, come on, come on. And he's
Down.
down. He is down.
Oh, you can almost go through the teleporter now. Yep. You can go through now. Don't forget the green item.
Razor wire, that's good. Let's just kill everything quick. Oh, look at how much healing there is.
Yep, that's a lot.
Boom.
Alright, stage 3.
Oh, Scorched Acres.
There's a scrapper. You can scrap your useless stuff.
Pre-war.
That one is pretty useless. I would also argue the bison steak. And the rest you could keep.
Let's keep moving.
I mean, I understand the value of med kits, I just don't know.
Fight me in a healing circle. Not the best move. I'm already on hard mode. Let's quickly let's mow these guys quickly. Because, yeah, right there's the portal. All I have to do is get to the portal. Imp Overlord, fire. Just...
Okay. Careful of his hemorrhage attacks. So this can do a lot.
Whoa.
Got a minigunner on you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to deal with him soon enough. But we're gonna do this. Stun grenade. Stun him, because he's gonna be a pain in the butt to deal with, so quickly just keep hitting him. Take him down, take him down, take him down, take him down, take him down. Take him down, he's almost down. But yeah, let's take him down real quick. Uh oh, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. And he's down, almost.
Alright, perfect. Imp Overlord down.
Leeching Seed.
That's really good.
Pair with this.
Especially because you shoot so fast. Every bullet does a bit of healing.
I'm now doing like 20-something damage now per shot.
Okay, so you're on very hard. About to go through here, and you're going to be on stage 4. This is going to be the Abyssal Depths.
Probably.
Abyssal Depths, yes. So this was the specific map I was referencing, stage 4, with the fuel cell array.
Yeah.
If you have it up here, then you can get Rex, but if you go under half health, I guess. Or maybe it's just arbitrary. Just like anything under half
Anything
health.
under half is gonna make that fuel cell blow up.
Yeah, so... let alone the arbitrary rules making my life a bit more difficult. At least we're here. Now, interesting thing about this specific map is that in a certain crevice, under a rock, a little cubby, there's always a chest that costs way too much money than it has business of being. But it always contains a legendary. So that might be something you want to consider. Are you going to get legendary chest?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Just need to get some money because it's probably going to be expensive. It's probably going to cost me a little bit more extra.
Go see, you're on very hard. Is it going to be 1700? Because you entered this on very hard. So maybe $700. Should be to your left.
Let's quickly deal with this one here.
No? Okay, sorry. Not in this specific.
Just mow these guys down while you're at it. Because they're going to be in the way no matter what you do. So yeah, you might want to mow them real quick. Healing, yes, 860. Wow, I have that much HP now. He is slow! Already the
There's
portal.
a teleporter.
But first, before we do
Is
that...
that a... That's not a soldier sword.
Nope. Now, where's the chest at?
Oh, it should be in that... to the left. Up ahead.
Oh,
To the
there it
right.
is.
There's the cubby. 1700, maybe?
2000.
Oh, 2700.
It's okay, we'll just have it. We'll just fight tons of enemies then.
Okay, so that's the difference between. That is the difference between hard and very. Yeah, the difference between hard and very hard mode. If you manage to get here in hard mode, that chest is only 1700. 1,000 extra bucks for one more difficulty. Now you're an insane. You're insane in remembering.
I hate imps. I hate fighting them. Okay, here we go.
Their hemorrhage abilities. So I'm noticing that those stone fists are coming out of the ground. That means a naturally spawning stone titan. This here is a mini boss. So you're gonna have to kill that. Or else it'll just keep pounding me. So that'll give you a hefty chunk of change if I recall correctly.
Come on, come on, come on. Throw.
I don't get those enemies. The brass contraptions. You have to hit their outer carapace. If you shoot, like, at the bell inside of them, like, half the time, more times than not, it'll just go through it.
Ha!
So you have to actually aim for the carapace.
Well, it's at 2000.
Alright. Oh, there's a stone titan.
There he is. Now, before he does that, we're gonna start popping him with.
Probably have better luck with the minigun. Up close. From far you can shoot him far away, but that will send you straight up. Yep. Oh. You're not coming down? Nope.
Actually, up here, this is where Rex is at, if I remember correctly. It hurts to open at least a chest.
Death mark. If an enemy is marked with 4 more debuffs, then they take bonus damage.
Okay, where is that?
You've got... You don't have any debuffs. Well, you've got 1. Stunning.
Okay, time to deal with the giant, where that stone
You
titan.
need 200 more bucks, and then you can get the legendary chest.
Where is he?
Braves.
Okay, where's the stone titan at? Last I saw him, he was up there. Roll. There he is. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
At least you can get the legendary chest.
Yeah, let's
Hopefully
get
it's
that
something
first.
useful.
Oh.
What do you get? Frost Relic. Killing enemies surrounds you with an ice storm.
Which can be helpful taking him out.
It's good for, like, swarms of enemies. Stone Titan, then Teleporter, question mark?
Yep.
Yeah, minigun's doing a lot more work than your rebar puncher.
There we go. Ice storm.
Hey, another lunar
Oh,
coin.
oh, oh.
That makes 18.
Here we go. 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 Come on, come on.
Stone Titan down. Alright. I just need that teleporter.
Let's roll. Deep freeze, boys. Dang it.
Crisscross will make you jump. Sorry.
Oh, here we
What are
go.
you facing off? Magma Worm.
Oh, Ice Rune mixed with against Magma Worm. Perfect.
Arguably my least favorite boss.
Oh, crap.
Because believe it or not, I do not like worms crawling out from underneath me, chomping on my butt. I don't like butt worms. You heard it here, folks. Tucker does not like butt worms.
Okay,
Is that
healing.
another death mark?
I hope it's not.
Hey, there's a printer. You can get a stun grenade.
Come on, please, plants. Please, healing plants, heal.
There it is. You can get a stun grenade for that white scrap you have.
Oh, yeah. Take him down, take him down, take him down, take him down, take him down. Take him down. Take him down.
There you go.
Take him down. Yes, take him down.
That's another death mark. That's a shark too. Okay.
It's fine.
I guess more survivability.
Holy moly, I can... 1040 HP.
That's why I said that multi's probably the best.
And it also depends on what buffs you give him, like what items you give him. Like the more HP build you go for.
Uh-oh, be careful here. Okay, now you're kind of safe. You can go through the portal.
Heal time. See ya.
Alright, stage 5. Stage 5. Now this is always the asteroid belt. The sky meadow.
Regardless, we're just gonna go fight the boss.
You're gonna go straight to the boss?
Yep.
Alright, well look for blue particles then.
There
There's
it is.
the blue particles.
Let's take some of these guys out while we're at it. So, we're gonna have to jump. Oh. Come on, let's go, let's go. I might actually might die during this fight. Let's keep going. There's the blue particles. All I have to do is teleport. I'm over there. Whoa, we got some items here.
Yes, that is an equipment vendor. Which is if you retool, you can get another equipment. Those mushrooms.
Oh, crap, no! Oh, no.
Oh, you're at 30 health, my guy.
Healing.
You've not purchased any healing rooms.
Ugh.
So, look,
Just need to get going.
you're on ICU difficulty. You went past the point of impossible. It's just ICU. Next up, I'm coming for you.
My guy is just slow. That's the problem with Multi. He's slow on movement. He's not fast.
Headed to Mithrix?
Yep. It depends if the portal summons. Crap!
Yeah. Now you see why I don't like magworms. Yeah, wait, I have an inkling of a feeling here.
Oh.
super low, my guy.
Oh, ha, ha, ha.
Alright, well.
How much damage dealt? 2,340.
33-minute one.
Not bad, really.
Alright,
But
well, that is basically Risk of Rain. And we unlocked a couple of characters, so pretty happy with our progress.
I say our progress went well. Like, we got a lot done. We got a lot of characters grabbed. Overall, it's gold.
Yep. Artificer.
I think next guy we need is the Artificer. That's
As long as we can unlock a lunar portal, then it'll be really easy to get Acrid and Artificer. Loader, we just need a specific map. Mercenary, Stage 8. The Fuel Cell Array for Rex. And then, I can't remember what... Oh!